What's up, guys? It's Taylor and Trent. We're back out here.
Yeah. I got the 22 this time.
Yeah, Trent man got the 22. I got the 12 gauge. No rabbits getting away from us today.
Yeah, we got this.
Yeah, this will probably gut it and skin it and everything for us too. We got both of us again. And this time we got an actual cameraman. So, what do you say? You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alright guys, we're getting to another hot spot. We only 2 more in here. Front with you. Gotta walk with the camera. Look for a little thing. Yeah. Because it doesn't look like it looks like this guy wide enough or anything. That's okay. Come back with me, Cameron. I'm gonna come through this little back here. Pop out of it. Trentman, you should come up here and try to decrease the level he's doing. No, if you stay just like this, and then you see on the other side, see whenever you turn your feet, you won't be really trying. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't ready to be able to get on it.
Yeah.
Safety. Oh, good God.
Hey, hold on. Let's see if I can. I'm gonna go in there. Just help with you.
I gotta straighten out. Get on it. Got him, boy. Wait. Find him, boy. Get him. Get him, boy. Get him, Cole. Get him out of there, boy. Well, folks, we got one. We were over there, and it was this one that we were just getting ready to film. Us telling you guys that we lost it, and I just looked over and seen him hopping here, and he was just going along. So I kind of hustled over here, and I could see him really good behind this little cedar branch, and I just put it on him and thought I seen him spazzing, and yeah, we got him. So, man, what do you have to say about that? We got one for the folks at home.
Yeah, we got this.
Yep. Now we're gonna see if we can't get one more. Bolty's happy. He loves kittens. Getting some stuff. Shotgun is really good.
Oh, shit.
We're gonna go right up. That would have been a pellet gun. A rabbit. Oh yeah. Definitely could have gotten the pellet gun. Put it. Not to get that. Yeah, the rat. Can't believe we got that one. A lot of times they'll just be sitting there and they won't move anymore. He's a poke. No, not through there, not through there. We're going. I gotta do something. Cool.
He just
Cool. No, cool. Ah.
number 2.
Cool. When I shot at that robin, I edited that. Alrighty, boys. We got one rabbit, as you seen. We were over there, and I seen him hopping through here, and I seen him real good on that those cedar branches. As you can see, I whacked those things. And anyhow, I just shot, and yeah, we got him. What are your thoughts about today's hunt, man?
I mean, I didn't get nothing, but it's alright.
Hey,
It's
bro,
alright.
you had another tough gun, bro.
Yeah, it's alright. It's alright.
You need to get another shot.
Next
bro.
time.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, sure, man. Next time we'll let you rock the shotty.
Alright.
But yeah, folks, ladies and gentlemen, please like and subscribe. And man, what are your final thoughts about today?
Have a good night, bro. Have a good night.
Happy New Year's, everybody.
Yeah.
Peace out.